Say you're playing Uno and you have two cards left. One is change the suit and the other is some other card that you can't play currently. So obviously you're going to play the change the color card, but the non-obvious part is you're not going to change it to blue because that's what the other players expect you to do. So you're going to instead change it to any other color besides your card's color and the face-up card's color. Because obviously, if you had red, you would play it. So you put this down, say you change it to green, and then say Uno, because you have one card left. Change it to green. And then this works best if there's at least 3 other players. And they're going to want to change the color, right? To something not, they think you have a green card. So they're going to want to change it to a different color. And the odds are, as you go around, someone will be able to change the color. And likely it'll be either, in this case, green or yellow. And so you got a 50% chance they'll change it to your color or play the number of the card you have. So someone changes it to blue, thinking you have green, right? And then you play your card and win, and then they're so confused, you've blown their minds and they have to rethink their life decisions.